guys, Tim here. Just thought I'd do a brief internal shot of the Silverstone system. This is, a few people have requested what the cabling looked like. So basically, you know, a lot of stuff can be tucked down low. The fan is about right here. So, you know, a lot of stuff can be tucked down here. And I'll show you. So I have, like, the SATA cables are kind of tucked away down here. The fan cables, the USB header, that kind of stuff. I have some stuff tucked up under here, which is just the rest of the power cables. Let's see if I can zoom in and get you guys a better view here. So there we go. So you can see I just folded, you know, just ran the 24 pin back here, and then this is the leftover. We'll do a back shot real quick. I just want to do a quick view here because, you know, a few people did ask. So this is the back. You can see, you know, the modular power cables. This is a mostly modular, I'll call it. So you do have some stuff here that I had to kind of like weasel down underneath the power supply, or I mean underneath the DVD-ROM. And then, you know, there's quite a bit of room right here to, you know, like your 24 pin cable, my SATA cables, the 8 pin that I don't need on this case is just kind of tucked in down here. So that's it. I mean, not a whole lot, not a big deal. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll try to answer them, but, you know, all in all, it came out to be a pretty good build. And for the price of the case, you know, there's a few things you have to deal with, but, you know, it looks good. It actually cools really well. You know, this has the Blu-ray player in it. So, you know, and it has stuff like, you know, there's a new Corsair case out that doesn't even have like almost no you know, filters on it. This, you know, has removable dust filters for the price, and an AP 121 fan. So pick it up, guys. I highly recommend it. This is Tim for TimmyTechTV. It's just a quick overview. We'll see you next time.